If you're spending quite a bit of time in the kitchen these days, it's surprising how often breakfast, lunch, and dinner come around and then they're here again. There's no more munching in the office break room, and all your meals and snacks are up to you. If you're realizing that you need to up your kitchen game, now's the time to do it. With these gadgets, nothing can stop you. So in this video, we're going to show you 13 best kitchen gadgets that are worth buying. The 11th gadget is very amazing, and you definitely want to stick around to find out what it is. So make sure to stick around till the end, you'll definitely find something interesting here. All the links to the products are given in the description box. Make restaurant-style meatballs right in your own home with this unique tool. Just scoop your ground meat and close the handles to form 1.75-inch meatballs. This gadget is great for scooping melon balls, cookie dough, or sorbet. Also can be used for making cake pops, brownie pops, or bath bombs. Ideal for shaping meatballs for spaghetti dinners and Italian feasts, stainless steel construction makes it durable. The tongue-shaped tool features a comfortable handle that won't strain your wrist. Use the Ooni Fyra 12-wood pellet pizza oven to cook delicious pizza in as few as 60 seconds. It can reach 950 degrees Fahrenheit in 15 minutes, so there's less time to prepare the oven too. The Fyra 12 weighs 22 pounds, making it lightweight and portable for moving around the garden. It's a must-have for hosting dinner parties in the back garden. In fact, the live fire experience will impress guests similar to when you're at a pizza joint. Its wood material flavors 12-inch pizzas for extra taste with every bite. This outdoor oven lets you enjoy delicious meals no matter the weather. The gadget uses the sun for power in the day and electrics to use at night. Best of all, it can still use the sun for power even when it's partly or heavily clouded. You can make a variety of meals with this hybrid solar oven, including grains, meats, vegetables, soups, seafood, and pre-cooked meals. The Fusion can prepare up to 6 meals in its 1-hour cooking time. This coffee accessory uses microcavitation to preserve coffee's heat and time-sensitive compounds. This relies on 3 overlapping processes: recirculation, pressure, and harmonics. This results in a drink with a wide range of flavor and aroma compounds with an espresso-like crema. Just grind your coffee, load it into the portafilter, and fill a tumbler with around 8 ounces of ice water. Place the tumbler on the Osmo Pro countertop brewer and press start. The diaphragm pump sucks the ice water from the cup and forces it through the coffee. Then the coffee falls back into the cup. You've never made cold brew so quickly. From cold brew coffee to garlic-flavored oil to fruit-infused alcoholic drinks, this kit can infuse pretty much anything. Put your herbs or other infusing food of choice in the pod, or you can put your coffee straight into the cylinder. Then pour your liquid into the cylinder, screw the lid on top, and place it into the tank. Make the most of your time waiting and put some vacuum-sealed food in the tank at the same time. When complete, simply pull out the cylinder and remove the pod. This versatile home infusion set gives you abundant flavors and choices in an easy-to-use, cost-effective solution. With this gadget, you can brew using 3 different methods: pour over, drip, and French press. So whether you like the deep, bold flavor of a French press cup or prefer a lighter drip coffee, the Gina coffee maker can provide it for you. Because it has a precision valve, it ensures you get just the right flow. This smart coffee maker has a built-in scale for added convenience. Integrated into the housing, this smart coffee instrument blends right in and connects with the app. Though you can choose to order a less smart version, it's awesome that the connected app will show you all your brewing history. This gives you the opportunity to learn from your mistakes. Looking for a convenient way to pour wine in front of guests? The Coravin Model 6 wine pourer allows you to do exactly that with ease. It's ideal for special occasions to impress guests and stop your favorite wine from losing flavor. Simply insert the device into the bottle, tip, and pour as much alcohol as you want. The capsules allow you to pour a precise amount. If you don't plan to drink a full bottle, you can save the rest of the wine for weeks, months, or even years. The wine pourer also comes with a screw cap that securely keeps your drink fresh without any chance of spills. Use the Fortido induction cooker if you have limited kitchen space or want to minimize your appliances. It features a lower-level cooktop that seamlessly slides out like a drawer. This radical design makes it great for modern homes that have a smaller footprint. Cook a variety of foods such as rice, curries, and more. It has all the same facilities and options as a traditional kitchen hob, but with the convenience of a slimmer design. Overall, use Fortido in addition to your current cooking appliances or complement a smaller kitchen with a useful, easy-to-use appliance. This kitchen gadget offers a precise cutter and a powerful motor with PID feedback control for an easy grind adjustment. The home coffee maker comes with a magnetically aligned catch for added cleanliness. The grind knocker reduces ground retention. Also, the auto stop feature ensures your beans are ground to perfection. In fact, this gadget has noise reduction features to reduce the overall sound and vibrations on your countertops. Offering 5 different speed options, this blender has a super strong one-piece motor with stainless steel blades. You can choose to crush ice or set it to pulse mode, where it can stir, chop, mix, puree, or liquefy. The KitchenAid KSB1570ER 5-speed blender offers an IntelliSpeed motor control sensing technology, which helps the gadget maintain just the right speed as it moves through your ingredients. Offering a soft start feature, this blender ensures the motor begins at a slower speed to pull the ingredients into the blade. Eat healthier and never worry about killing plants again. This hydroponic garden comes with a companion app that tracks and monitors your plants' progress. Through the app, you can manage lights, know when to harvest your plants, and stay informed on when to add nutrients and water. In fact, the Rise Garden's personal Rise Smart Garden has LED lights that will switch on to notify you that it's time to add water or nutrients to your indoor garden. Also, the light button allows you to manually dim or shut off the lights if you want to use an automatic schedule instead. If you want the opportunity to move this electric kettle around your kitchen, the 360-degree rotational base lets you easily do so in a second. Designed with a removable lime scale filter, it's long-lasting and keeps water fresh. This kitchen accessory also gives you peace of mind while you're out of the home with its auto shut-off feature. But this safety aspect isn't its only great thing. The LED indicator switch lets you know if the kettle is switched on or off at a glance. With a 1.25-liter capacity, it holds plenty of water for accommodating a large household. Moreover, the KitchenAid KEK1222 offers a smooth pour to minimize spillages, while the removable lid makes it easy to refill. Keep food hot for up to 4 hours or cold for up to 8 hours with the Rigwalife RIGWA 1.5 stainless steel insulated bowl. Offering a large 48-ounce capacity, it has a user-friendly design. Additionally, the RIGWA 1.5 is great for taking to parks, school, work, and more. In fact, you can store almost everything in the stainless steel insulated bowl, including salad, rice, and much more. Its airtight lid prevents liquid from spilling in your backpack or while you're driving. You can get more creative with lunches every day and have the option of experimenting with hot dishes too. Which one do you prefer? Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video.